Okay, so we are going to be continuing on replacing the heat exchanger. We just got the part, so this is part 2 and replacing the heat exchanger. Can you point where the heat exchanger is that we're going to be? It is going to be this whole box that is going to be removed. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the clips where the sensors are. Let's zoom in on those clips. There we go. And those clips really just snap off. Just like that. You want to be careful with the sensors and stuff and the wires. What about the one in the center?
It might be a little persuasion.
Okay, let's take a pause for right now. Okay, so next step is taking off the sensor on the back corner here. Oops. There we go. What do you want?
My little magnet, but I got it.
Take that off the screwdriver, please. That magnet. Oh, it just sits on there, huh?
Just
Can you take that screw off? Oh.
show me where this is going to go, because this is a special little screw.
Okay,
I'm gonna
screw
put
it
this
back.
in it
Screw it right back on there.
when it was screwed onto the other one.
All right, if you want to do
Okay.
that, we'll take a little. Okay, we're back. Now we're gonna unplug the blue wires. And the blue wires and actually white sensor wire wraps around the back of the heat exchanger.
So that, we take this one off here, which is kind of holding anyway. This white one can stay on there, and we'll just put it on the other one.
Okay, go down to the bottom and show me the bottom. What are you pointing at?
That
If we
one
take
here, this
Okay,
black
hang
and
on.
white, because that comes with the other one.
that black and white, okay.
Or black, I'm sorry, red and black.
Where's red and black? Okay. Red and black. Point to it. I don't see it on my screen. Red and black down here. Yeah. Thank you.
It also has a red dot on it, by the way.
We're finding that most of the things that have red dots are the things that have to be taken off in order to do this heat exchanger. Okay, let's take a pause here.